Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get a GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the home page where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we're going to have the login button. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and use the sign up button to create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So this is going to be our main page where we can take a look at our repositories right here. We can take a look at the home icon. So we can go and check out our home info right here. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what do we have to do to join the student developer pack? We can check it out right here. So education.github.com/pack, we can take a look at how to get started with signing up for a student developer pack. So what do you need to do and what do you need to have to be able to sign up for this guys? Well, you have to have a student email either in high school or university that has an email that you can use in GitHub. After that, you have to go ahead and apply. So as you can see by clicking this button right here, sign up for student developer pack, it's going to enable you to select your role in education. So now you can select if you're a teacher, student, school, doesn't matter. What it's going to need to from you, as you can see, you need to have a GitHub account, be at least 13 years old and enroll in a degree or diploma, and be able to provide documentation from your school as well as an email. So what you can do is enter in your email right here that you want to go ahead and click continue. So by clicking continue and providing your email, it's going to enable you to sign up for the student pack, after which if you're confirmed, it's going to be applied to your account and you're going to go ahead and be able to use it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.